So my name's Luke, and I've been doing property for about 6 months now.
And how's it going?
Yeah, it's going well. Yeah, making lots of connections, learning how to network and really understanding the business and how the different strategies work. Yeah, it's starting to come on quite nicely. I feel like I'm on a wave now, and things are starting to pick up momentum.
Great. And tell me about that journey. Like, what have you done in that time, or like attempted?
So right now I'm focusing on deal sourcing, but I actually sat down this morning with an assisted living provider, and they're open to doing business with me. So yeah, things are looking up right now.
And how did you start? How did you find Samuel?
I listened to a book called Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, and he's really got me inspired into property. And then I started listening to all the property books. Samuel's one came along, listened to his one, and then just went on from there really. Found out about the £1 course, went to that, and then here I am. I finished all the training now. I loved the training, it was really good, loads of content, really helped me with my knowledge, because you don't know what you don't know, as they say. And so I found out a lot, took some really good notes, and it's changed me, really. It's really brought me out of my shell. I'm starting to feel really good now. Yeah.
And what would you say to someone who's looking to do something?
Do it, yeah, give it a go. Because, people say about, you can find everything out on the internet, but, you don't know what you don't know, and you get all the support. The mentoring is really good, and the network's awesome as well. So, yeah, I definitely recommend it.